Hello one and all, welcome to the Math Magic Show. In this one, let's take a look at deriving the formula for sine of theta in terms of e to the I theta minus e to the I times negative theta over 2i. Let's go through the process of actually showing how you get the right side and the left side related here. So, first step is to write down Euler's. So it's going to be e to the I theta equals cosine theta plus I sine theta. That is a well-known relationship. Next, I'm going to also do this for negative theta. So replace theta with negative theta. It's going to give me cosine of negative theta plus I sine of negative theta. Cosine function is even, so you can copy that as cosine of theta. And then the sine of theta is an odd function, so you can pull the negative out. So it becomes negative I sine theta for that reason. You want to get the sine by itself, so what that tells you to do is you got to subtract. So it's going to be e to the I theta minus e to the I negative theta. In other words, I'm subtracting e to the I negative theta from e to the I theta. I also have to repeat that on the right side, so it's going to look like this. First, I'm going to put cosine theta plus I sine theta because that represents e to the I theta. And from that, I'm going to subtract the writing in blue. So I'm going to do minus cosine theta and then minus I sine theta within parentheses at first. Let's continue. Next step. It's going to look like this. E to the I theta minus e to the I negative theta will be equal to cosine theta plus I sine theta. And now you have to be really careful because that negative there has to be distributed to the cosine theta in blue. So it becomes the following. Negative cosine theta. And that same negative has to be distributed to the I sine theta. So it becomes I sine theta with the plus in front of it. Just like that. Next, observe the following. That the cosine theta in blue and the one in red cancel because it's the same quantity but opposite signs. That reduces to e to the I theta equal minus e to the I negative theta equals I sine theta plus I sine theta. Now there are two quantities I sine theta, so for that reason it's going to look like this. E to the I theta minus e to the I negative theta equals 2 times I sine theta. Just add them together from the previous step to get 2 of them. And we're super close to getting sine of theta. Simply divide both sides now by 2i. And on the right and on the left, like that. On the right side, just cross off 2i with 2i. That goes away, and that's going to leave us the following. E to the I theta minus e to the I negative theta over 2 times I equals sine theta, and that proves what we set out to prove. And that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.